I can talk about that.
The government of Mauritius wants to move the country from a middle-income country to a higher-income country. So we're making a very big effort on infrastructure development. Right now, we are already upgrading the airport. We're looking for investors into our port. Other important area would be in public transportation. We are already building the road network. We look forward to see more and more visits between Mauritius and India, and to the benefit of both our country, and also to strengthen the already existing firm friendship between our two countries.